If you want to add a footnote in a Gamma presentation, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple and fast way. Footnotes are great when you want to add a source, reference, or extra context without crowding your main content. So if you're building a presentation in Gamma and want it to look more polished and professional, this is a really useful feature to know. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the presentation where you want to add the footnote. Make sure you're on the exact card or slide where the text needs the note. Now, select the specific word or phrase in your presentation that requires a footnote. You can do this by highlighting the text directly with your cursor. As soon as you highlight the text, a pop-up formatting toolbar should appear near the selection. This toolbar gives you editing options for the text you just selected. From that pop-up text formatting toolbar, click the Create Footnote button. In Gamma, this is the option that tells the app you want to attach supporting information to that highlighted text. Once you click it, a dedicated footnote section will instantly appear at the bottom of the card. This is where Gamma keeps your reference or extra explanation neatly separated from the main body of your presentation. Now type or paste your reference or additional context into that footnote area. You can use it for a source link, a short citation, a clarification, or any supporting note you want your audience to see. After you enter the text, take a moment to review everything and make sure the footnote reads clearly and matches the highlighted content. If needed, you can always go back and edit the wording so it looks clean and professional. And that's it. You've successfully added a footnote in Gamma presentation. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you want to add credibility, context, or supporting detail to your slides without making them feel cluttered. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.